Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Scholars, inventors, and righteous people are those who offer such permanent services to the people of all the world as the writing of books, the invention of various things, and the foundation of schools and hospitals. The importance of deeds in the sight of Allah is not the large scale of the deeds, but the intention of sincerity. Imam Sajjad says that if an action is not grand but is done with sincerity, it will surely be accepted by Allah. If a person does even a little work with piety and devotion, Allah will give the person a great reward.